Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Be in Touch. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the individual crochet using the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. I used about 6 packs and there's about 24 locks. I start by packing up the hair before I start patting the hair. So what I'm using is the Ampro hair gel, the styling gel. I start patting as if I'm about to do individuals, of course. So I'm doing the knotless method first. I put my hands to stretch out the hoop, stick it through one of the strands, and I braid out the rest of the hair. Can see the rest of the back is weighted, and I'm gonna start wrapping. You want to wrap the same direction of the lock so that we can be secure, and that I believe is to the right. You wrap to the right. As I'm wrapping, I am twisting the lock and then I wrap. For this knotless, I don't wrap with glue, so you don't want to put the hair on. And I'm going to try to do another one, but this time with knots, just to see how it will hold. My hair is very soft and it's very fine, that's why I want to try the knot method to see which is best. So I'm gonna start by stretching some molly hair just to make it look more natural. I braid with the molly hair, and for a tighter grip. So I'm gonna start by braiding the hair first, rather than sticking a strand in the hoop already. So I braid the hair first, and as you can see, it's a bit tighter than the knotless method down below. So I'm going to just stick the crochet needle through the hair, and what I do is I pull both the lock and the hair I braided through the hook. Pull it through the hook, pull both out. As you can see, both came out. This method also looks natural, but the knotless looks more natural. So once again, like I said, I wrap by unwrapping the lock first and then wrapping around the hair. So I unwrap and wrap around, like so. I'm gonna put glue here because, as you can see, I didn't braid all the hair down. I left some molly hair, so that way I can put the glue on the molly hair and then wrap on it, so it stays more secure. I couldn't do this on the knotless method because that would mean I would have to put glue on the hair. That cannot happen. I mean, you don't have to put glue if you don't want to. I'm just doing it. And some people also put glue just to be, like I said, more secure and it won't fall out. Okay. And as you can see, you can now see hair in both knots and the knotless method. But in the knotless method, the roots is already loosening up, whereas the knots method is still tight and secure. I'm gonna continue braiding the rest of the hair in the video using the knots method because I just like how it's really secure with the knots. I believe the knots will make the hair last longer. I am doing my patterns box shape. I always part in the box the same way I do my individuals. As I am doing the individuals, I'm also locking, I'm also using a crochet needle to put in the locks to save some time. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, as
let's try some music.
Individuals also put in crochet. For the extended, as you can see, one is short, one is long. What I did was the lock that's already locked already. I split it into 3. I grab the new Bobbi Nu Locs and pull one of the 3 that I bought in, and I braid the rest out to make it really secure. So I didn't braid it finish because I'm gonna eventually put glue as well. So what I did was I braided more than halfway, and I started wrapping. I'm of course wrapping the same way, which is to the right, and I am unwrapping as I wrap the lock and I wrap it around the hair. You don't have to do this method. Some people put it through, tie it. I just prefer braiding it down and then wrapping it because it's secure, in my opinion. And then of course I'm gonna put the glue at the end and I wrap it on top of the glue for more security. To be more secure. And then I wrap it in my palms. And you can't even see where I attached. That's how natural it looks. So now I'm just gonna put some oil on the scalp. And after, I'm using Duo, by the way. And then I'm gonna do some argan oil, spray shine, and of course use the Ampro Styling Gel for the edges. That concludes this video. This is 14 inches and the extension of sew is 14 inches, making this here 28 inches. This pack also comes in 18 inches and then you will have 32 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.